In this video, we will take you through the critical steps to set up your financial accounting enterprise structure in SAP. You will learn about key concepts such as the company code, the business areas, and the company itself in SAP S/4HANA, and we will show you how to configure them efficiently. We are implementing SAP S/4HANA sourcing and procurement for a US-based microchip manufacturer. We call it Microtech, with subsidiaries in Mexico and Argentina. In our scenario, the subsidiaries in the US and Mexico are responsible for sales and manufacturing, while the subsidiary in Argentina handles the procurement of lithium and other materials required for the production of microchips.
Hey, I am Samantha, a friend of Mario. If you have trouble during the course with the configuration, feel free to comment or write a direct message to Mario. If you don't have a SAP test system, contact us, we will get you covered. I wish you a lot of fun with the upcoming hands-on configuration with Mario.
Let's start with the client. So, what is a client? In SAP, the term client refers to the highest hierarchical level in the system and is used to separate that in the SAP environment. Client represents an independent business entity with its own set of master data, user data, and transaction data. The concept of clients in SAP enables organizations to maintain separate environments for the development, testing, and the production within the same system, ensuring that changes or tests on one client do not impact the data or operations in another client.
What is a company code? In SAP, a company code is a fundamental organizational unit that represents a legal entity within the system. It's the level at which you perform accounting, create financial statements, and manage legal reporting. Each company code has its own set of financial books, and it's where all financial transactions are recorded. Multiple company codes can exist within the same SAP system, allowing a single organization to manage the finances of different legal entities separately. In our case, we will define different legal entities for USA, Mexico, and Argentina. But enough with theory for now. Let's get to the configuration in SAP.
Let's start and look into your system. We are doing developments, we are doing configurations and changes, so we are using the client 100. In this video, we will create company codes, and to create company codes, open the configuration portal by typing SPLO, SAP reference IMG. In SAP, the customizing process follows a top-down approach, and that means that if we are setting up a new system, we will find the general configurations on the top of this page, and we work our way down for more specific configurations. Right now, we are setting up a new enterprise structure for finance FE. So we will find the configurations for the enterprise structure towards the top of this page. Definition, financial accounting. Why financial accounting? The company code is the level at which you perform accounting, generate financial statements, and manage legal reporting in SAP. So click financial accounting and open edit, copy, delete, check company code. A basic concept in SAP configuration is to copy existing templates or objects and then make necessary adjustments rather than creating configurations from scratch. And this is what we're going to do. So click copy, delete, check company code. Press the copy button or F6 on your keyboard. We are copying from the company code template for the USA. Here you can press the F4 button to open the list of all company codes. We have 261 entries. Press find. Template US. So we are copying from the US 01 to the company code. I would call it MUS1. In real life, you will have clear policies about how to choose the name for company codes. Press enter Next, you will be asked about copying the GL account if you want to copy the GL accounts. So what are GL accounts? GL accounts are used to record all financial transactions like income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. They help in tracking finances and enable accurate financial reporting and analysis. So click yes to confirm copying GL accounts. Next question is if you want to allocate a different local currency to the company code. In this case, we are creating the company code for the USA, and the template has US dollar as a local currency. So click no. Now we have to create the customizing request. These requests are used to later transfer the changes we made in the development client 100 to the testing client and also to the production client. So click the little button here or F8 and create a new request, create company code MUS1 so we can find it again. Press enter. The company code US01 has been copied to MUS1. The only thing we have to do now is to edit the company code data. And in this case, we position ourselves. This is like a search button to MUS1 and mark the company code, open the details and change the company name. Microtech USA, city Dallas, as we want to save some text. That's our headquarters in Texas. Everything else looks good. Then open the address with this symbol here and write the necessary data. So microchips, the search terms help us to find our company code within hundreds of other company codes. We have 260. Just write something here. Brothers Road 1 US. Language English. That's enough. That's okay. Oh. There's the 0 missing. Perfect. Save. And now you can use the same customizing request because this changes of the name and address is for the company code MUS1. Save it. Okay, so now you have to do the same for the company codes Mexico and Argentina. I did it already. We have here the Mexican company code and also the company code for Argentina. Next, we will create different business areas in SAP and also the company which is used to consolidate the company codes.